Hi Tutor LMS users. If you want to bulk import teachers to the Tutor LMS site, then there is an easy solution. Install our premium plugin, Tutor LMS Custom User Importer, and import students, as well as instructors in bulk, through a CSV template. Here is the demo of the bulk import of teachers. First, install and activate Tutor LMS Custom User Importer plugin. After that installation, you will see a sub-menu under the Tutor LMS called Custom User Importer. Click it. You will find a link to download CSV template in the right-hand corner of the page. Next, you need to fill data in the downloaded CSV template. Write a unique name in the username column, which is a required field. Next, paste the email IDs on the email column. This is also a required field. You cannot import without providing an email ID. Now, write the first name and last name of the teachers in these two columns. If you want to import teachers with contact numbers, just fill the phone number column. Next, set the default password for your teachers. This password and email will go to the teacher's email automatically. You can write a small bio for each teacher by filling this bio column. The most important and required field is the role column. Here you have to write tutor_instructor in English for importing teachers. Note that you must write tutor_instructor in English only. Other languages are not allowed. Now, you need to fill enrolled course ID. This is also a required field. Do not fill completed course ID and date column, because these columns are related to student enrollment. You can also fill optional fields, organization name, ordered by, and purchase order number. Now, it's time to save your template in CSV format. Go to your site and upload the saved template. Your users will be imported within a second and emails will also be sent. Let's check if the teachers are imported successfully. That's it for now. So, thank you for watching this video. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Tutor LMS problem-solving tutorials. Take care.